Once upon a time, in a lush green garden nestled at the corner of a quaint little house, there stood a young and vibrant plant named Petal. Petal was not just any ordinary plant, she was a storyteller, whispering tales of the magical world of plants to all who cared to listen. Now, Petal had quite the audience. There were the children from the neighbouring houses, curious and eager to learn about the wonders of nature. There were also the adults, the busy bees of the community, who found solace in Petal's tales after a long day's work. And so every evening, Petal would regale her audience with stories of her own existence and the marvelous journey of a plant's life.
Dear friends,
Petal began one evening, her leaves rustling gently in the breeze.
let me tell you the tale of my own life, from my roots to my blooms.
Petal began her story with her roots, the very foundation of her existence.
Deep beneath the soil, my roots spread far and wide, anchoring me firmly to the earth. They drink in water and nutrients from the soil, nourishing me and helping me grow strong and tall.
Next, Petal spoke of her stem, the sturdy stalk that held her upright.
My stem is like a strong pillar, lifting me towards the sun. It carries water and nutrients from my roots to the rest of my body, ensuring that every part of me thrives.
As the audience listened intently, Petal moved on to her leaves, the green factories of the plant world.
Ah, my leaves,
She exclaimed.
they are the solar panels that capture the sunlight and convert it into energy through photosynthesis. They also release oxygen into the air, which is vital for all living beings.
But Petal's story didn't end there. No, there was more to her journey than just roots, stem, and leaves.
Now, my dear friends,
Petal continued.
let me tell you about the most magical part of my existence, my flowers.
With a flourish, Petal unfurled her delicate petals, revealing a burst of colours that dazzled her audience.
My flowers are my crowning glory.
She declared proudly.
They attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, who help me reproduce by carrying my pollen from flower to flower. And when they do, seeds are formed, and the cycle of life begins anew.
And so Petal concluded her story, leaving her audience in awe of the wonders of the plant world. The children clapped and cheered, while the adults nodded in appreciation. For in Petal's tale, they had learned not just about the parts of a plant and their functions, but also about the beauty and magic of nature itself. As the sun began to set and the garden grew quiet, Petal nestled herself amongst her leaves, content in the knowledge that she had shared something truly special with her friends. And as they bid her goodnight and went on their way, they carried with them the memory of Petal's story, a reminder of the marvels that lie just beyond their doorstep, waiting to be discovered.